State asigi capital city Imphal ga district headquarters singagi marakta air transport hena sakot anabagi pandam dangasi Imphal-Jiribam amasung Imphal-Tamenglong ge anirak suba heli servicing houdokhre. Manipur lenga ki transport department asinduna chief minister secretariat ngasi pangthoki bathoramda chief minister N Virena district ani asigi heli servicing adu virtual gi khutang da houdokhi. Anirak suba oina houdokliba heli service asiga loidena Imphal-Jiribam amasung Imphal-Tamenglong ge heli service ani leiragani. Imphal-Jiribam gi oina mamangda global Vectra company ge helicopter na sayol amagi manungda ningthokaba leibakpokpa sagol senama di thangjina mitsingda passenger service piramba du ki mathakta Pawan Hans limited ki makada passenger amada lupa lising ohumga sumna nifu mangada sayol amada ahumrak service piragani passenger heli service hogdokpaga loinena chief minister N Virena hai state asida road transport ta thengnari ba khudong saraba singasi heli service hogdokli basina khara makhai de kokhan bangam lagani matam amada Imphal dagi Jiribam amsung Tamenglong chatpada nongmagi numit ama sanglamba adu hojikti sumata ge pungkhai amada yobangam le amoromda miyam gi damak yenglaga helicopter ge atongmalasi sunaba mongda laptopna bohanari hojikti Imphal Ukhrul heli service hangdoklabanina singi district headquarters singa sathok sasinda hena khudong sahalagani haiki Tharumgi manungsana Imphal West District ke Loitang Khunau amasung Bishnupur District ke Nambolda fire substation singi temporary garage singsu chief minister na sangaduna hangdokhi ngasigi thormaduda minister Awangbo Nyumai TH Basanta Kumar Haikam Dingo Kasim Vasum MLA singda Asavuddin amasung Janhemlung Panmaisu saru yakhi
Nasisi milestone saying some years helicopter service ki hana. We have already got one, and today launching the second helicopters. From my side today, heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, under the Uri Deska Arm Nagrik schemes.
Under the regional connectivity scheme, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, second heli service for Jiribam district has been launched by our Honorable Chief Minister Sri N Biren Singh ji. So this would be second heli service for the Jiribam. So for today, which has been launched, it would be 3 days in a week, and the fare from Jiribam to Imphal and Imphal to Jiribam it's at 3,045 rupees. Thank you.
Nakalamurum dangasi Imphal-Jiribam ge anirak suba heli service hogdoklobasu Pawan Hans limited ki oina passenger amada lupa lising ohumga sumna nifumnga loribasi antahaningba ki apamba miyamna phongdonarakli hiramasugi matangda Jiribam dagi L Purnachandra kauba miyo amana phongdorkibada passenger amada hojik lupa lising ani samanga loriba asidagi khara hantahanbina ba taknarige cherakta ngasi nauna hogdokliba service asigi atongmal passenger amada lupa lising ohumga sumna nifumnga oribasina miyamda khudong sadaba mayungna hangani marmaduna heli service asigi atongmal asi khara hanthaduna manana lobiyo haina lenga ki pungning singsilakli